Hey everyone, Connor here with Greater Ridgewood Youth Council, coming to you to explain how you can make videos from home for your students. And this video is just a quick rundown about how you can do the basics of creating a video for your students from home. So, the first thing that you want to do if you want to make a video from home or a video lesson from home for your students is you're going to want to download some type of software which will allow you to record your monitor or display. For this tutorial, I'm using Streamlabs OBS. I'll put a link to Streamlabs OBS in the description so you can just scroll down and look at it after this video. I really like Streamlabs OBS for multiple reasons. One, it's free. Two, it is a pretty strong software for it being free. And three, it has pretty good support. So any questions you have, you can usually find videos on, or you can find answers to on the frequently asked questions page. The next thing I want to do is go to your sources. Okay? Now, your sources will tell the program, it will tell Streamlabs OBS what you want recorded. So there are a couple of subtleties with this. Where they appear on this tab is the priority that they're given. So you can see that I have a webcam, and it's below the display capture. So even though my webcam's not on, you can see that I have the eye crossed out. If I turn it on, you still won't see me because the webcam is a lower priority than the display capture. But if I bring the webcam up, you can see me. So depending on where these sources are in your sources tab will tell the program their priority. Also, if you want to turn off the visuals of some type of source, you can just click that eye, and if the slash is through the eye, that means that it is turned off. It will not be captured. So the first thing that you want to do with the sources tab is add new sources. Just to give you an idea, I already have the three sources that we're going to need to add: the webcam source, the display capture, and the audio output capture. But when you're adding it, this will all be clear. So you won't have anything written here or any sources here until you add them manually. So you do have to add them. It won't come like this. So these are the three sources that you will need to add if you're just trying to make a basic video from home. The first source is the display capture. That's the most important source because with the display capture, it captures anything that happens on your monitor. So anything that is on your screen will be captured. Using that just as the jumping off point, you can open something like Paint or Google Docs, and you can try to illustrate some of your lessons from there. So if you wanted to illustrate division, for example, this is obviously a very simple division problem, but if you wanted to illustrate it, you could use Paint to illustrate it. And if you want to change the sizes of your brushes, here are the sizes. And you can even get more powerful tools for writing and expressing your lesson plan than just MS Paint. But for now, this is just the basics. We're just using MS Paint. But that's how you can use your display capture to explain things that otherwise might be more difficult to explain. And the way that you add that is you go to Add New Source, you go to Display Capture, and you go to Add Source Display Capture. Now, I'm not going to do it since I already have a display capture, but that's what you're going to do for display capture. For webcam, it's a little different. For webcam, you're going to add a new source, but instead of going to display capture, you're going to go to video capture device, because that's what Streamlabs notices as your webcam, is a video capture device. So you're going to click on that, and then you'll see it says built-in webcams, Logitech webcams, and capture cards. You don't have to worry about the capture cards, but your webcam will be picked up by OBS if you click the video capture device. And then you're going to add the source. Once the source is added, you can see. Now, after that, you need to add audio output capture. So audio output capture is pretty straightforward. It's like display capture. It's already there. You just got to click on it and add source. Once you have those three things, you're set. And you don't even really need the webcam. I don't have the webcam. And you can still explain things through OBS. Once you have those three things, you're going to want to click record. You're not going to click go live because Streamlabs is a software for making streams, but you can use it to record. And I prefer it in recording just because I understand it and because it can be pretty intuitive once you get to know it. In further videos, I will explain better ways that you can interact with your students, but for now, just the bare minimum of how you can start to get the videos up for your students. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos and to be notified when we post more videos to help you teach your students from home.